students, 25 from each college, came forward. They worked tirelessly for 2 years to collect 2,000 sample size. And this book also opens up a lot of opportunities for employment and entrepreneurship. This book is shortlisted by NITI to write a position paper on aging, which is demanded by NITI Aayog. So under the leadership of our Honorable CM, Goa is the first state to contribute writing a position paper which will impact policy making. So this is the biggest win-win-win for academia, industry, government and community. So this should set a role model, and most important is we need to value our students. If we value and believe in them and give them a proper guidance, and the guidance should not be surface. We have put 2 years into it. Everybody sitting here has put 2 years. We should give a return gift to Honorable CM. We only talk about rights, we don't talk about duties. So our duty is that how we come forward and support government and have surplus employment. We should never have deficit employment. Every student should get at least 2 or 3 job opportunities so that he can pick and choose. And I am very happy that whatever collective force we can put behind CM, we will be ready to do it. And I really appreciate support of PHE director. In spite of so much busy schedule, I always gate crash. In fact, yesterday I was almost 1 minute, he was saved. I reached SCRT, but 1 minute before that he left. Prasad sir stays in the neighboring building. I think he has stopped going for morning walks because of me. Because wherever it is, I catch him and I say, sir, what more I can do? Correct? So I'm very happy, very proud. God's grace and the support what we get from government and Honorable CM is exemplary. Correct? Thank you very much. And this book is getting worldwide release from today, Dr. Pramod Khera? Yeah. From today. Okay. So thank you very much. I will invite Honorable CM to not say few words, but guide us that we have all that horsepower. We need an engine to fire.
Good morning, friends. For the release of book of Discussing Grey Waves by Kishore Shah, GDP Foundation. आजच्या बुकाच्या इनोव्हेशनच्या कार्यक्रमात स्वतः किशोर शहा, Secretary Education Dr. Prasad Valekar, Mr. Pramod Khera is present here, and rest of the industry people, principal of the our college, आणि ज्यांच्यानी बाकी सगळ्या जणांनी ज्यांच्यानी या बुकाक खरोखर बाकी सगळ्या पद्धतीने सपोर्ट केला. Congratulating from Mr. Kishore Shah and the entire team for this book releasing in my hand. The GDP Foundation is doing the work in for the defense for the social justice, reform, economic empowerment, social entrepreneurship, NEP value for the UPSC student, and emerging employability readiness. या सगळ्या बद्दल ते काम करतात. आणि हे सगळे काम करता असताना त्याच्यानी बरो सब्जेक्ट विच इज एन इजी तो सब्जेक्ट हातात घेऊन जवळपास 2000 पेक्षा चड aged people also sample survey केला. It is the first time in India, so our colleges have get the opportunity to do these surveys. आणि खांडोळा कॉलेज असताना, विद्या प्रबोधिनी कॉलेज असताना, बोर्डा कॉलेज ऑफ बडगाव असताना, and MES कॉलेज या चारही कॉलेजनी सिन्सिअरली वो सॅम्पल सर्वे केलो आणि सॅम्पल सर्वे केल्याच्या उपरांत 2000 पीपल लोकांचो सर्वे सॅम्पल केल्या उपरांत वो बुक सर्वेइंग ग्रे वेव्स वो बुक जो आसा पळय त्याच्या बेसिसाचेर ते बरोवपाक शकले. या एजिंग फॅक्टर जो आसा ताच्या खातीर आशिल्ले आतापर्यंत म्हणजे मेडिकल प्रॉब्लेम कितें म्हणजे बरेचशे फावटी विचार करता आसतना दे आर डिपेंडंट ऑन अदर वे कितें असो विचार करता. बट हो बुक रिलीज जाल्या उपरांत we can use them for use their ideas, use their in short we can say that human resource for further हाजो आमी उपयोग खूब बऱ्या पद्धतीन करपाक शकता. हो कन्सेप्ट तांच्यांनी पुराय जगा मुखार दवरला आनी सगळ्यांत बरी गजाल म्हणजे फिकी which is an organization which is working in the research, they have appreciated आणि तांच्यांनी त्याचो रिसर्च आणि बुक हो फॉर द नीती आयोग हा सर्वे करता असताना त्यांच्याकडे मागला ही बरी गजाल आसा. आणि गोंय सरकारच्या दृश्टीन म्हणजे अलॉंग विथ द MOU GDP आणि आमचो डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हायर एज्युकेशन हांच्याकडे आशिल्लो MOU आणि ताका लागून ते करपाक शकले. म्हणजे फर्स्ट टायम इन द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया वीथ मेकिंग द पॉलिसी तातूंतल्यान गोंयांत केल्लो रिसर्च हो उपयोगाक येतलो ही आमच्या खातीर प्राऊड मुवमेंट आसा. ताज्या खातीर once again I'm congratulating for GDP Foundation is entire team for the surveying great waves for the launching of these books in Goa. आणि ताकाच लागून हांव परत एकदा तांचे सगळ्यांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता आणि ह्या बुकाचो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात पुराय देशात न्ही तर पुराय बाकीच्या सगळ्या प्रमोद Khera has taken the initiative that he is launching this book in other continents also. So it will be the useful for the worldwide. It will be the useful. Definitely. Once again, I am congratulating for the GDP Foundation. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Sir, it's nothing great, but this is blessed by Shankar Temple. I would request Nadab sir, Purnakala ma'am, to please come forward. I think we deserve a good.
Thank you.
Sir, I would also like to thank press, media and the office of the Honorable CM. As Mr. Shah mentioned, GDP Foundation has moved into the second stage of piloting applied research projects and in conformity and participation with 3 colleges, Boarda College, Kepe College and MES College. Essentially, the whole endeavor is to integrate undergrad, postgrad students to form social enterprises, startup cells, and to really train them early. That's the whole endeavor. And in that pursuit, I would like to request government colleges and industries to participate and promote this movement. So thank you once again for being part of this momentous occasion, because it's a milestone step for the GDP Foundation and I would say the state of Goa and all of us. Thank you very much.
सीएम एक प्रश्न आशिल्लो IIT खातीर काल कॉड्रा परत प्रोटेस्ट जालें.
Press conference. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.